Hey there, Tony here. So imagine it's 1955 and you're the general on duty at NORAD. That's right, Strategic Air Command on Christmas Eve. The phone rings and it's a small child who has gotten your number confused with the local department store number to check in on how Santa's doing tonight. So you have a choice. You're going to protect that holiday feeling or not? You're going to be a good person and move forward with empathy or not? Story goes that general absolutely crushed it that night, did a great job reinforcing the spirit of the holidays and the secret of Santa, and even so much so that 60 years later, to this very day, you can go online to NORAD.com and NORAD.gov and all those places to the Santa tracker, and you can actually check out Santa as he makes his rounds around the world delivering presents all over the world. So it's a fantastic thing they do. It's a whole lot of fun, and I'll admit even I dial in sometimes and take a peek on Christmas Eve just to see where jolly old St. Nick is. But the spirit of the holidays, it gives us a chance to regroup, to rethink, to think about what we're going to be better and different and continue doing into the new year. And that's the challenge. That general that night moved forward with the spirit of empathy and kindness and service. You can do the same. Make that a priority as you're doing your strategic planning, as you're thinking about your New Year's commitments, not resolutions, mind you, because they're not nearly as meaningful as good, solid commitments, and just a few of them to be sure. But think about those very few targeted customer experience moves you want your organization to really adopt and move forward with and be a part of your vernacular, of your DNA, of everything that you do every single day, a part of that cultural hospitality and your service lexicon. So make sure that you think about what that is this holiday season. Move forward into the new year thinking about those very things, but please ground yourself in service, empathy, and kindness, and you will absolutely not go wrong. I've been Tony Johnson, your customer experience leader, and I will talk to you in the new year.